everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to show you how I decorate a table for two in blue Chinoiserie. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Alright, so as in all collaborations, we follow YouTube etiquette. So let me go ahead and mention what that is. So normally when we're in a collaboration, we make sure that we mention the collaboration, which is Tablescape Tuesdays, at the beginning of the video. Then we mention the hosts. We make sure that we link the hosts and their links down below in the description box. We make sure that we run the playlist. We click the like button, we say some encouraging words, and we subscribe to the channels. Now, if this is your first time visiting Tablescape Tuesdays, I do hope that you stay and join the family. Okay, so let's get right on with the video here. I thrifted these two blue Chinoiserie pieces. They're part of a set, and I thought I got them for a really good price. Now, my son recently had a birthday, and so I am dedicating this tablescape to him, and his name is Matthew. Now that gold tablecloth was a thrifted item, and those beautiful white cushions that are on my chairs, that was gifted to me by Divine Inspiration by Martha. Thank you. I am loving those placemats and those chargers, and both are beautiful, and I purchased them at Dollar Tree. Okay, so the blue Chinoiserie plates I thrifted at the Goodwill. Then I have the clear plates from the Dollar Tree on top of that. The flatware I did purchase at Aldi's. The napkins are thrifted. The napkin rings did come from Party City. The glassware did come from the Dollar Tree. We are lighting the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I thought it was funny when my son said he wants his tablescape in blue chinoiserie. And so it was my pleasure to do so. I absolutely love him. Happy birthday, son. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.